Okay, well, Carroll Stream is flooded. I'm standing on the sidewalk right now, and this is like, there's some garbage cans. That's showing you how deep. Just going into the street. Dude, this is insane. It's all the way up my driveway. Look at my freaking street. I mean, there is, except for all the garbage. Holy crap. I mean, it's all the way up their driveway. All the way up their yard. That's how high it went to their yard. And I'm walking what's supposed to be the sidewalk. You can see how deep it is with the bags floating. Okay, seriously? I'm like afraid to step because I don't know how it's like deeper and deeper. This is crazy. I mean, I'm literally soaked to my knees. I don't know. I mean, if you can see on my leg how deep the water is. You can see, okay, this is nuts. I have not seen floods like this in, I don't even know how long. He needs to move his car up, though, because he's going to be underwater soon. They definitely should pull it up the driveway. Crazy. Like, I can't even. Seriously, what do you do with all this garbage?